Hello friends, I am Sudipto and this is Coding Knowledge, and today I am going to introduce you about loop. So basically I am going to show you the introduction of loop, and in the next video I will explain you how we can use the loops. Loop is basically of three types: for loop, while loop and do while loop. So you can ask me why we use loop. So I am explaining you by a program. You can see that I have written hash include stdio.h void main, and here I am going to do multiplication using adding. You know that addition is multiplication is basically a number of times addition. So if we do that 2 into 3 equal to 6, that means we have to add 3 for 2 times, or we have to add 2 for 3 times. So we are doing that basically. So why we need it, I am telling you that if we have integer a equal to 10 and integer b equal to 10, and if we are instructed to do a into b, so with help of addition, what we have to do basically, we have to do add b with a for 10 times. Like we have to a equals to 10, so if we do 10 into 10 equal to 100, so we have to add 10 plus 10 and again plus 10 and again plus 10 and again plus 10. So what we are doing, a equal to a plus b or a plus equal to b, so we will get a into b. So if we do that, you can see the length of the program is increasing, and even we have to do one line for a multiple time. In here in this case we have to do it for 10 times. So if we want that we do not do this for a multiple time, or one line or one coding for multiple time, we can use loop. Loop help us to write the code in for a one time, and according to our requirements we have to give the conditions in this loop, that how many times we want to execute this line we can do with the help of loop this. So basically that's why we need the loop formation. So in next day I will show you how we can use loop, and I will show you the classification of loops, how we can use in a program. Now I am going to show you the format of three different loops. So in for loop we have to do for in the bracket initialization, that from which value we are going to start the loop, then the condition for which value we can execute the statement whatever we needed, and then the incrementation means that we have to increase the particular value depending on which we are going to construct the loop. And there is another loop, while loop and do while loop. So if you see that in for loop construction, initialization, then semicolon, condition, semicolon, incrementation. In while loop we can have the format of only giving condition in while keyword. So what we have to do, for if we have to do a while loop in the place of for loop, we have to do the same things like for loop, but there is only format of while condition, there is only format of giving condition in while keyword. So what we have to do, if we need the same configuration as for in while loop, so we have to do initialization before the while condition we will start, and then the condition we have to give in while loop, and after the statement we have to increment the value on which, depending on which we are doing this loop. And in do while loop it is as simple as while loop. Do while loop is another configuration. Like if we have need some this position, like we have to do the statement before, or we have to do the statement minimum for one time and then we have to run it for multiple time, then we can do while loop. Do while loop, you can see that we are instructing to do the statement at first and then we are giving the condition of while loop. So what it will do, it will do the statement minimum for one time and then if the condition matches, then again it will do the statement under the do keyword. So that is for today, guys. If you like my videos, if you like my channel, you can subscribe my channel and please hit the like button, and after subscribing my channel you have to click the bell icon in all notification. If I upload a video further, you can get all the notifications. Thank you very much.